The hot two birds one stone smoking shirt captures a playful twist on the classic phrase in #8220. Two birds one stone and number 8221. By blending it with a smoking theme that resonates within cannabis culture and humor circles. Featuring two bright yellow cartoon birds side by side. The design centers on one bird casually smoking a joint. With the bold text and #8220. Two birds one stoned and number 8221. Positioned above and below the birds. This humorous visual pun appeals to those who appreciate light-hearted references to smoking, sessions and cannabis lifestyle. Classic shirt view for hot two birds one stone smoking. About the design and niche, this shirt taps into smoking culture with a clever and cheeky graphic that combines familiar imagery and wordplay. The smoking joint with visible smoke adds a clear nod to cannabis enthusiasts and those who enjoy smoking humor. It fits naturally within the lifestyle niche, especially for people who enjoy casual wear that reflects their laid-back attitude and appreciation for meme-inspired apparel. Audience and occasions ideal for smoking enthusiasts, cannabis culture fans, and meme lovers. This shirt suits casual social gatherings, relaxed smoking sessions, or informal hangouts where humor and